Okay guys, here we go again. My neighbor Rose, she just gave me a call that she's having problems with something, but she won't tell me until I get across the street. So let's go see what it is, and hopefully it's minor and I can help her out. Why are you walking with your head down? Is it that bad?
Yeah, it could be rolled.
Why is the ground all wet?
My hose just blew. And that's not the only problem I have. I locked myself out of the car.
So you don't have an extra key?
No.
You bought this car and only got one key with it?
The guy said the owner didn't have the other key.
All right. And you're positive it's not in the house?
I looked everywhere. I don't even have a code.
Oh,
This is
boy.
ridiculous. I don't know how I did it.
All right.
But there's nowhere. They're nowhere.
You didn't do any cannabis oil drops before this happened, did you?
No, I didn't. I went to the grocery, got my groceries, came home, took them in, took some stuff out of the front, shut the door.
Well, what I don't understand is, how did you lock the car if you got the remote control? Don't you click it after you go in the house or as you're walking away?
What?
Don't you click the remote control to lock the car when you're leaving to go into the house? So where's the keys? Shouldn't they be in the house?
No.
You checked.
I don't know where they're at.
All right, I have a way to get you in.
Are you serious? I got doctor's appointment. I can't have
What, about an hour and a half? What time is it?
I got to, it's 3 o'clock. I have to be there about 3:45.
All right, so we got time. All right, let me go get my stuff and I'll come back and I should be able to get you in.
I'm not going to break a window.
Could happen.
No. I'm not going to have to call somebody.
Oh, if you call somebody, you're done. Because they're going to do the $29.95 deal. And then when they get here, then they ram it in. Then they're going to hit you for about $250.
No. 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 I want my car.
All right, let me go get the kit. I'll be right back.
Okay.
You ready?
What do you got?
I'm going to show you right now. I have a couple of things here. This right here is called an air wedge. And what you do with this, you slide this in between the door and the body. And it's going to pry open the door at the very top. And when I do that, I'll be able to take this tool that I made a while back. You can see the end of it. It's going to reach all the way in, and here's the other end of it with the handle.
Oh, wow.
It's going to reach inside the car, and I could either push the unlock button for the doors, and usually that will not work on newer cars, because when you take the key out and you push the button to lock the vehicle up, it deactivates power to those switches. You can only pull the handle to open the door. So what's going to happen, I'm going to insert this and hook that around the handle and hopefully pull and unlock the door.
Does that thing take blood pressure too?
Yeah, it looks like that, doesn't it?
Yeah. So that thing will inflate and open.
It's going to inflate. You'll see the whole thing.
Okay, all right.
Why, you don't think it's going to work?
No, I'll shit my pants if it does.
Well, you better get your toilet paper ready. Let's get started.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first thing I need to do is take this part of the door and push it away from the door jamb so I could slide the rod inside. I'm going to take this bladder, insert it like that, and I'm going to make sure this is tight all the way down. And I'm going to pump this up, and you're going to see the door come away from the jamb. All right. Now there's enough space, I can almost get my fingers in there. All right, you can see it going in. I'm going to bring it all the way down towards the lever. And what I'm going to do, at the very end, when I open this, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other side of the car looking in. I'll do it again just to show you, because there's so much of a glare, I cannot film it with the camera right now. I'm going to reach in. Am I on it?
Yes.
Let me let a little bit of pressure out, just a little bit. So there's less pressure on the door when I go to open it. Let me let a little bit more out. What? All right, and there it is. I just opened the car door. And you can see, you gotta get that into the right position on the latch in order to release it. And you don't want too much pressure on the door jamb pulling the top of the door away, because what's going to happen is going to make it much harder for you to undo the latch on the door. And you can see it's open now perfectly.
Oh my God.
Could you believe it?
You opened the freaking door.
I'm going to reach in and I'm going to hit the unlock, and now she can go through the whole car. It took a little bit of time for me to line this up properly, but at least I was able to get it to get onto that latch. Did you find the damn thing?
Oh my God, they're here.
What? Where?
Right here underneath the towel.
Figures.
Oh my God.
All right, so you know what? Leave your door open. I'm going to put the camera on that side because I want them to see what I did.
Okay.
Now I want to show you very quickly how this was done, how I was able to manipulate this handle to open it. The rod is going to be coming in from the top right, just like you see right here when the door is closed. Comes in, goes all the way down to that handle, and once it's locked on, you can see it pulls the handle to open the door. And that is it. She is now in her vehicle. It was very easy. It only took a few minutes. You happy?
I'm excited.
All because of the simple tool that I made.
Have one of those?
What are you going to do with it?
Well, if I get locked out again, I'll know what to do.
You just like having these breaking and entering tools.
I don't want to put any money out.
It didn't cost you anything with me anyway.
I know, but I mean, if I do a stupid thing like this again, you know, can I have one of those?
I'll get you an air wedge and I'll make you one of these. How's that?
Okay, all right.
Then you can keep it stashed.
Now can you fix my hose?
No, do it yourself. I had enough of you for one day.
So I can't water until I get my hose fixed.
If you're good, I'll fix it for you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, guys, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video of rescuing Rose, getting her back into her vehicle.
Again.
Till next time.